Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to properly do your roof crickets in Revit. Sometimes this could be a little bit tricky, and I've seen people have done it in different ways where they will have two different type of roof. But the way I'm going to be showing you today, you'll be using just one single roof to achieve the roof cricket. So I already set up the wall outlines of our building for this demonstration. So let's go ahead and create a roof. So the level here doesn't matter because it's just for demonstrative purposes. So let's get our flat roof. So that's a flat roof. So in order to do a roof cricket here in the middle, to have the roof slope in the middle and then have the cricket in the center, you need to find the center of the roof. So you go to modify sub element of the roof and then create that center portion of the roof. So you want things to this side to slope towards the middle and then this side to slope towards the middle as well. So let's say if we want the slope to be, let's say 1/8 of an inch per foot, how much do we need to go down? How much does this line needs to go down? So we need to calculate that. So from here to here is 39 feet, 39 feet 9 inches on some change. So let's take the calculator. So 39 foot point 0.9 by 1/8, that's 0.125. That would be 4.987. So that this line here needs to go down 4.987. So let's click on the roof, modify sub elements, and minus 4.987 inches. So let's check if the slope is right. You can see it's sloping towards the middle, 1/8 of an inch on this side and 1/8 of an inch on that other side. So now we have to set up where we gonna have a cricket. So let's draw these lines to kind of give us these guidelines to give us where our crickets are gonna be. So we're just gonna make this equal. So let's find the center of the roof and maybe so let's not worry about where these lines are going to be, so because we're going to use this to make them equal as well. So this is going to give us, there you go. So that's our first cricket, and we need to find the center. So I draw all these lines just to give us some type of guidelines to what we need to do. So let's get rid of all these extra lines. So this is how we want our crickets to be. So this would be the center point. So in order to do that, we need to modify a sub element again, add a point here. So if we want, we need to add a point to all these corners. So we have all this corners. So what we need to do here is raise this point. So this point is right now the same with this whole line. So we need to raise that point to however much we want it to be. Now, if we want, we could make it 0 since it's a negative. Let's make that point 0 and see what the slope is. 1/4 of an inch per foot, you see. So you need to do the same for this corner, which is will be the high point. So modify roof sub elements, make it a 0 as well, and do the same for this, and make it a 0 as well. So if you check what slope they have, It's the same cut of an inch. So all of them are sloping right. So you could delete all your extra lines. And there you go. Here's your roof cricket. You can see, let's check the slope one more time. So this is sloping towards where the roof drain will be here in the center. The roof drain will be here in the center, and everything is sloping as you would want it. So that's one way. Let's say if you have a different kind of roof. So let's, and you wanted to slope the roof itself without crickets. So let's go ahead and create a roof. Let's say if you wanted to slope this roof itself without having crickets. So let's say you wanted um, to divide this roof into two segments. So it's this one to slope in the middle, and then this one to slope in the middle, just like this. So everything will slope here in the middle. So let's use this as a guideline. So all you need to do is go to modify sub element again. You need to add a split line here to kind of create that separation. Then add a point right there in the middle. And then you do the same for this other end. So let's find the center. Modify sub element and add a point at that point. So depending on what slope you want. So this is 35 to 1/4. So let's use our calculator again. 35.2. Let's just use 35.2. So if you want 1/4 of an inch that way by 0.25. Oh, so 8.05. So let's see what that's gonna do. So minus 8.05. I believe that was it. So it's saying that that's a little bit big. So let's do it again. So let's use a slope of a 1/8 of an inch. So 35.2 by 0.125. So 4.4 minus 4.4 inches down. It seems to work, and you do the same for that one, minus 4.4 inches. And there you go. So delete your guidelines. So let's check the slope as well. So 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. So everything is sloping towards the middle here, and it's sloping to middle here. So this is a high point, and all the outside are high point. So thank you very much for your kind attention. Please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot.